Hello everyone, my name is Chetan and you are watching Technical Helper YouTube channel, and today we will talk about how to connect laptop or computer with a second monitor or a screen or a projector. So let's get started. As you can see now, I have one laptop and one is the desktop screen, and here at the VGA port that I use VGA monitor for. So I have one problem, my laptop not support VGA, so I use the connector that was VGA to HDMI. So HDMI VGA converts in HDMI, so I use that. So I connect that connector to my this laptop, and as now I connected that adapter with my laptop, and second end connect with my VGA. So as now I connect these. So as you can see now now we can see the screen, and now we need to go on display settings. You maybe know these screens in your screen, so go on your display settings by going on your desktop and right click on it, and as you can see here it is display settings, and go on display settings. You can see that two screens. If I unplug that, you not see that was gone, but now I connect it again, so you maybe see that now it's connected. And now we need to go on multi-screen settings, so multi-display settings, and here you need to choose extend this display, and also you can use a keyboard shortcut in your laptop that was this icon. So it's when you press you can get these options in your right hand corner. So as you can see these four options are the same, but these are very easier for you, so you maybe use that. And when you select second screen only, then your desktop then your primary screen was off and secondary screen only work, and when you duplicate that, then your content will copy, same content will display on that, and PC screen only is the when you use the primary screen only. And I use extend screen, so it's very easy for us, so it's very helpful for work faster. As now I am on the extend display mode, and when I open in my browser it will open in my secondary screen. So you can see here I open my browser and it will open a Google on it, as you can see, but when I drag it on my second screen side, so you can see it's going on my second screen. So it's very easy to use in any screen, and I can watch any video and tutorial on that, and I can work on that. So it's very easy for us. And if I creating any program and script, I work on my primary screen, but I want to search also on Google, so I use that secondary screen for that as a desktop screen, but it's very helpful for work, and it's work like a second computer with working communicating with together. So it's very easy and best for our computer, and it's work like a desktop, and it's very helpful for like you have two computers. You can understand that it's work like you have two computers. So I think you can understand me, and it's very helpful for you as a display, two screen display tutorial. And now bye, have a nice day.
Now goodbye, have a nice day. Like this video and comment your questions, and don't forget to subscribe.